Hey guys, welcome back to the part 4 of the Sun and the solar system. And this part, we're going to talk about two planets, that is Mars and Jupiter. Here's a presentation that I have made on Mars and Jupiter. Learning outcome of today's video is we're going to learn about Mars and we're going to learn about Jupiter. About Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. Being one larger than Mercury in English, Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. The latter refers to the effect of an iron oxide prevalent on Mars surfaces, which gives it a reddish appearance. Distinctive among the astronomical bodies visible to the naked eye, Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere with surface features reminiscent of the impact craters of Moon and the valleys, deserts, and polar ice caps of Earth. More about Mars. Here are 10 points about Mars. First, it's a small planet. If the Sun were as tall as a typical front door, Earth would be the size of a dime, and Mars would be about as big as an aspirin tablet. Second, fourth rock. Mars orbits our Sun, a star. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun at an average distance of about 228 million kilometers or 142 million miles or 1.52 AU. It's an astronomical unit. Third, longer days. One day on Mars takes a little over 24 hours. Mars makes a complete orbit around the Sun. Her year is known as a Martian year, and the Sun in 687 Earth days. Fourth, rugged terrain. Mars is a rocky planet. Its solid surface has been altered by volcanoes, impacts, wind, crustal movements, and chemical reaction. Fifth, bring a spacesuit. Mars has a thin atmosphere made up of mostly of carbon dioxide, argon, and nitrogen, and a very little amount of oxygen and water vapor. Sixth, two moons. Mars has two moons named Phobos and Deimos. 7. Ringless. There are no rings around Mars. 8. Many missions. Several missions have visited this planet from Phoebus and orbiters to rewards on the surface. The first true Mars mission success was the Mariner 4 flyby in 1965. 9th, tough place for life. At this time, Mars surface cannot support life as we know it. Current missions are determining Mars' past and future potential for life. 10. Rusty planet. Mars is known as the red planet because iron minerals in the Martian soil oxidize or crust, causing the soil and the atmosphere to look red. That's why the planet looks red and it's known as a red planet. Now let's learn about Jupiter. Jupiter has a long history, surprising scientists all the way back to 1610 when Galileo Galilei found the first moons beyond Earth. That discovery changed the way we see the universe. Fifth in line from the Sun, Jupiter is by far the largest planet in the solar system, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Jupiter's familiar stripes and swirls are actually cold, windy clouds of ammonia and water, floating in an atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter's iconic the Great Red Spot is a giant storm bigger than Earth that has raged for hundreds of years. More about Jupiter. The fifth planet from the Sun, Jupiter is what watercolor dreams are made of. Vibrant bands of clouds ripple around its thick atmosphere, making up a world so large that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside. Its great red spot seems to peer out from the swirling vapors like an enormous eye in the face of the striped giant. Though seemingly serene when viewed from the relative safety of our home world, Jupiter is a chaotic and stormy place. The gas giant planets, spots, and swirls come from the massive storms that whip up prevailing winds as fast as 335 miles an hour at the equator, faster than any known winds of Earth. Thank you. So, guys, that is the part 4 of the sun and the solar system. See you guys in part 5. Bye.